This is Dr. Bob Zybach, Oregon Websites and Watersheds Project, Inc. My first selfie. I'm here with Frank Mahoney from Portland, a videographer with nearly 40 years experience working with community television, and we're at Blue Mountain Park demonstrating how a video drone can be used to monitor and document roads, trails, and streams in forest settings. Here's a quadcopter, you call it, or a drone that can take video. Mm-hmm. And the cost is around, for this model, around $500.
It's about $500 with the combo of the radio controller. This controller is extra. It's about $100 and some odd.
Okay.
And probably with a couple of batteries, I got about $500 into it.
Batteries, controller, quadcopter are all about $500.
Right.
Okay, and then the phone, of course, is extra.
It's separate.
And it's required to monitor or
right.
maneuver.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Goes up.
Okay.
Goes down.
Yeah.
And then this will, they call this yaw, I think. I'm doing a 360 right now.
Okay. With the same button?
Yeah, the same button.
Okay, so it's like pressure activated?
Yes.
Okay, and then what's the button on the right?
Okay. This is actually, I won't go into the technical terms. This is forward.
Good. Okay.
Backwards. And side to side. Side this way. And then side that way.
Okay. And then what are the red button, black button?
Well, this is for turning my camera on and off.
Okay.
Or recording.
Yep.
Other buttons here, we won't get into that, but I do have a tilt control.
Yep.
I'm tilting all the way down. Now, you can see this kind of has a dramatic effect on the video. Okay. I have to come down because.
So the screen you're using, that's just a iPhone?
No, yeah.
Or an Android?
Android. I have to come down. I'm low battery warning.
Okay. One good thing about a drone is that you can get up above the tree canopy and look at the surrounding landscape. This landmark here is Blue Mountain, and now we will slowly rotate around and see if there's any smokes or dead trees, chlorotic trees, and we are back to Blue Mountain. So let's take it down. This gives a nice sound effect. That part is good. This pile of firewood is salvaged from snow damage in late February. The park was closed for several months, and people were without power and electricity due to snows in late February and heavy flooding in early April. It's just now reopened. Can you get out there and look down both ways and then just come back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, this is what I'm looking at. Can't see.
As we leave the park, we're approaching Mosby Creek Road, the old Blue Mountain School, which is now Aprovecho Research Center. Here we see Frank using the drone to inventory Mosby Creek. Mosby Creek is a tributary of the Row River, Willamette River, Columbia River, and the Pacific Ocean. As we approach the stream, we can see there's some obstacles, and Frank is using line of sight to maneuver through the obstacles so that we can see the river. Now, can you look upstream and downstream?
Yeah.
And tilt it up to
Yeah.
get the horizon in there? Wow.
You can wave it yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, you saw it. Okay.
Can you bring it back this way?
I am, but
Oh, there we go.
I don't want to get... See, we got GPS.
Landing.
You can go up and a few feet and do a 360
Yeah.
on the trees.
Here you are.
Here we're using a 360 and the drone to survey for salvage damage from the snows and floods through the general area. We can adjust elevations and angles to do a search such as this. Once we spot damage or salvage, we can drop the drone into a low elevation and get an exacting location and documentation of what we're looking at.
See, if you want to take a look at the screen and stand, and you can just see the screen what I'm doing. Now it's going to stop here.
Yeah.
It won't go any further than that. But no, it's just if something happens. See, it sees this tree. It's 2 feet away.
Here we see root wads from overthrown trees that haven't been salvaged yet. The snow and the heavy rains and the flood
Okay.
have uprooted these trees,
Watch the screen here.
and we can see trees along the creek with the same problem.
You want me to land it?
Sure. Oh, how about landing it on the table?
Take off. The home point has been updated. Check it on the map.
You can see the screen, whatever I'm seeing.
Mm-hmm.
And it's probably not going to go any further than here because...
Here Frank is trying to maneuver through a brush area on the trail, and we can see forward obstacle avoidance in play. It's a technical term that keeps the drone from running into brush
Okay, it won't let me go through here because of its...
or running into objects. So by using line of sight, Frank can reorient himself. In an open canopy, line of sight maneuvering is very easy. If we have GPS, we can exactly replicate the site later on following a snow or windstorm. This is a perfect tool for high school students, college students, and others helping with research or management of a forested area. So one of the real problems we've discovered is shooting in the
forest.
You lose GPS, and so that increases the chance of error.
Yeah,
and limits the value or limits the ability to document things.
yeah, and I'm doing it all by line of sight, and this is, I'm going to your car. See, this is what you want to do, is you want to watch what I'm doing here.
Yep, I got a pretty good shot on it now. There we go. That's showing what's on the screen.
Okay, now I'm in the parking lot. I turn around. I guess I was a little bit too close to your... Is this the entrance here? I'm not sure.
It looks like it. Yep. There's the structure there right at the right-hand side. Now you're coming